Good morning, guys. My name is Umair Hamid and I'm a Pakistani living here in Sweden. The city where I live in is called Jönköping. It's the seventh largest or biggest city of Sweden, and it's covered with all the naturalistic point and some really good sightseeing places. And this is my first vlog, and what I'm trying to do here is to share my personal experience of going around to the places and going around to the events that I go, and share it with you guys, so you have a really nice experience of looking around to another part of the world, which is up north, because Sweden is up north. So today we are going to go a place we are going to do, which I like the most, and it's a little bit far from here, like 50 kilometers from here, and we're gonna go there and explore a little bit, and I hope you guys like that. So let's start with our first vlog.
Walking to doing at night, trips to wherever feels right, doing it all just to feel things. Drinking's enough of a vice, drugs just aren't suiting you right. You are just fine as a real thing. You don't matter to me.
Welcome to Visingso. This is a nice place in Grana, where we are right now, and I'm going to show you a little bit more. From here we have a small island for which the ferry goes, and it will be here in a few moments, and I'm going to show you around a little bit. Let's see here.
Time when I was terrified and I wasn't lying. You made me going crazy. No one said me, hold me tight. No one said me, love, sweetheart. 'Cause I'm out of fire.
So our next location was this castle, which was being abandoned from a long time ago, because it was there to protect Sweden from its enemies, and the rest of the history you can get to know about from it here. Have a look. This is the original castle, and that's what left of it. So let's explore it a bit more. It have a really lovely view from here because it's high above, and it have a really nice view. Let's go inside and check that out. That is the place that where we came from. You can see if this is a small dot, the ship that was there. And that may be a cell for the prisoners, and it's locked.
Every day when the night falls, and it's you and me, feeling like you're made of stone, and I ain't got an iron key. Can we vibe with the lights off? And tell me, what do you see? Feeling like you're made of stone. Baby, if you could understand me, I would feel so empty. I don't wanna let you go, ever let you go. Say you understand me, I'll give you my everything. If you need to let me go, ever let me go, I won't let you go. I can't decide if you're the right one. In your eyes I see we're riding on a tide that turns. How funny is the irony? Like you laugh with a mic on. Tell me, do you ride for me? Breaking down your walls. Baby, if you could understand me, I would feel so empty. I don't wanna let you go, ever let you go. Say you understand me, I'll give.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, which is in the small town called Grana, and there are two parts where we had visited. One was this ferry thing which goes to the island, and the second is this castle which is abandoned. It's from the late or mid 16th centuries. So I'll see you next time with some amazing place. Until next time, this is Umair Hamid signing off. Ciao.